We're taking Italian bread that we sliced diagonally, putting the garlic butter on both sides of the bread, and we're going to fry it till it's golden brown. Then you can eat it with soup or spaghetti or whatever you want to eat it with. Just butter both sides. Fry it till it's golden brown. This is just butter, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and onion flakes all mixed together. And we're just going to fry each side till it's golden brown. It'll take about 3 minutes on each side. Have the burner on medium high. You don't want it too high because you don't want it to burn. You just want it to be golden brown. All the butter melted into the bread. Okay, once your bread is golden brown on both sides, it's done. Just like that. And that is my take on Grecian bread. All you need is a loaf of Italian bread. Cut it into slices, thick slices. Make your garlic butter. Fry it, and you've got homemade Grecian bread. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy your nice and easy Grecian bread.